So I got this cheap Chicago Electric Harbor Freight sliding compound miter saw setup down here. Custom wood insert because the plastic one broke. Ooh. Now I'm cutting these dry core sub 4 panels, and you have to stagger them the way you do bricks, so you need a lot of half panels. So I measured out a real exact half panel to use as a template, and then I thought, rather than doing that, why don't I line it up on here, and put like a gauge block or like a line kind of thing. So, and then the idea was I could stack three or like 2, 3. No, I don't think 4. Maybe 3 of these at a time. Put 1 or 2 screws through them to hold them together. When you get them all lined and squared up, and then you run them back against this. Like 1 or 2 of these, and this screw. Geez, I'm showing you. This screw and that screw in the block there. That would be like the stop, and that's in the hole on the line. And this screw is going down, contacting it to stiffen to support it. So it's not going to move at all. You can get rammed with 3 of these things. So that was the idea. It would have hit like the middle one. See, like the stack would have been like bottom one. The middle one would have been about there. Anyway, so. But every time I cut one of these, it wasn't coming out. My cut, even when it was on 0, it should be a 90-degree cut. It wasn't coming out perfect. And I couldn't figure out what the hell was going on. Is this saw moving or something? Or because then I started anchoring it down, and just that gets out of freaking control. I get that to adjust the slide of this because that's what this is attached to, which is what gauges this. So I have brackets, one on this side pushing against it, and one on this side pushing against it. And keep in mind that every one of these screws that I put through, this is only 1/4 inch plywood, so underneath here, I had to, put a block or something to catch the screw so it wouldn't just be floppy. In the actual mounting holes, I got them with I didn't have any washers or anything, so I'm using whatever I had that would hold the screw. I think I got 3 of them in. Yeah, there's one back there as well. I didn't do that corner back there. It's likely to lift. But in case you're wondering what the tent is here, is to contain the sawdust. It's actually doing a really good job. It's anchored to the outriggers, what do they call them?